Okay guys, I want to say thank you to the Mayer-Harman team. It's an awesome tradition that we have. Every year we build the gingerbread houses. We love it. The kids love to see Santa, and we really look forward to making the house as creative as possible. So good job guys. Merry Christmas.
Everyone here at the Mayer-Harman team, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
This is a really busy time for Santa and I, and next year we'd love for you guys to come join us at the North Pole so we can help Santa focus his efforts and his time on the deliveries. The big day is just around the corner. So come on down to the North Pole, we'll get you some food and drinks, you'll get a gingerbread house, and you'll have a special photo op with us. We're looking forward to seeing you next year.